Model, 1999 Peugeot Boxer Relay 350 LWB camper motorhome conversion needs head gasket repair. No Vat. Body, white, camper. Mileage, 106,656. MOT, the 8th of December 2025. Engine, 2446 cc L2VXAIGP. Transmission, 5-speed manual. Mechanical summary, none-runner head gasket needs replacing, coolant is pressurizing. Whilst cranking. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear camping area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest camper van which has been well looked after. Features: bed, electric hookup, sink, hob, inverter, wind-up windows, fridge. Euro status, Euro 4. HPI, clear. Contact us, 01564334664. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199997.